Hello children, today we will see distributivity distributivity of multiplication over addition for rational numbers. See here, distributivity of multiplication over addition for rational numbers. Okay. See, to understand this, consider rational numbers minus 3 by 4, 2 by 3 and minus 5 by 6. See here I write minus 3 by 4 into in square bracket 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6. See here, if we solve this, what we get? After solving this, here square bracket is given, so we have to solve the square bracket. So minus 3 by 4 as it is into, in this question both multiplication as well as addition is given. Okay, so but here square bracket is given, so we have to solve first square bracket. What is given in the square bracket? 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6. What we get? We have to take LCM of 3 and 6. What is the LCM of 3 and 6? Is equal to 6. So what will come in the numerator? 4. How 4? LCM is 6. So 6 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. So 2. So 2 into the 2 in the numerator. 2 into 2, 4. Okay. Now this plus, but the second number is negative. So plus into minus, minus. Now LCM divided by 6. 6 divided by 6, 1. 1 into 5, 5. Okay. See here, minus 3 by 4 as it is into 4 minus 5 minus 1 and 6. Okay, minus 1 by 6 is equal to minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 and 4 into 6, 24. That is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is the answer by solving by a regular method. Now see, we can also solve this problem as, see, minus 3 by 4. If we split this bracket, see here, if we multiply each term of the square bracket by minus 3 by 4, what we get? Minus 3 by 4 into first term of this square bracket, that is 2 by 3. What we get? Minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. Okay. Plus sign as it is. Now again minus 3 by 4 into second term of the square bracket, that is minus 5 by 6. Okay. I put here bracket. What we get? After solving first bracket, we get minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. 3 get this 3 get cancel. What is remaining? Minus 2 by 4 plus sign as it is. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So minus 1 into minus 5 plus 5 and 4 into 2 8. Okay, after solving this, what we get? 8 as a LCM, and LCM divided by denominator of first rational number 4. So 8 by 4 equal to 2. So minus 2 into 2 plus sign as it is, 5 as it is, into LCM divided by 8. 8 by 8 1. So I write here 1 is equal to minus 2 into minus 2 minus 4 and plus 1 divided by 8. So after solving this, what we get? Plus minus 4 and plus 5 plus 1 by 8. Okay, see here, by solving by regular method, by solving square bracket first, it means by solving performing addition first, what we get? 1 by 8 as answer. In different way, if we split this square bracket, okay, we multiply each term of square bracket by the number minus 3 by 4. What we get? Here we are getting 1 by 8 as an answer. It means distributivity of multiplication over addition for rational numbers. मतलब कि रैशनल नंबर्स अगर दिए हो, उनकी एडिशन हो, तो एडिशन से पहले भी हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. ओके, वी कैन परफॉर्म मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओवर दी एडिशन. एडिशन, हाँ, रूल क्या बताता है कि हमें ब्रैकेट फर्स्ट सॉल्व करना चाहिए, लेकिन ब्रैकेट के अंदर क्या है? एडिशन, और ब्रैकेट के बाहर क्या है? किसी नंबर से हम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. तो विदाउट सॉल्विंग ब्रैकेट फर्स्ट, वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई ईच टर्म ऑफ ब्रैकेट बाय द नंबर विच इज गिवन आउटसाइड द ब्रैकेट. ओके, आफ्टर परफॉर्मिंग दिस और सॉल्विंग दिस, वी आर गेटिंग द सेम आंसर एज वी गेट बाय सॉल्विंग बाय आवर रेगुलर मेथड. ओके, तो इसी को हम बोलेंगे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिविटी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओवर एडिशन फॉर रैशनल नंबर्स. समझ में आया ये कि स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट के अंदर नंबर्स दिए हैं, बाहर किसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, तो रूल बताता है कि स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट फर्स्ट सॉल्व करना चाहिए, उसके बाद उस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना चाहिए. तो आंसर कुछ आ रहा है. सी हियर इन दिस एग्जांपल वी आर गेटिंग आंसर 1 by 8. बट by this method we can also perform multiplication over addition. एडिशन परफॉर्म करने से पहले भी हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं, और उसके बाद में लास्ट में एडिशन परफॉर्म करेंगे. ओके, मल्टीप्लिकेशन फर्स्ट देन एडिशन. सो वी से distributivity of multiplication over addition for rational numbers. Okay, you understood?